Listen up for the next 5 minutes because I'm going to give you something for free. I will share with you a deep-kept secret that will increase your chances of getting a bank account like mine. With $423,852.65, this is just 1 out of 5 bank accounts where I have money stashed. And here's another bank account. Look, these are not made-up fake screenshots. This is me logging into my bank account. This can't be faked. This one has $555,508.21. And these accounts, like my other 3, were earned in 7 months starting in October 2012. As you can see, I really did make millions of dollars in just a few months. And it had nothing to do with any scams. No software scam, scam application, or scam sites. Now I'm going to expose the truth and shed some light on a secret that no guru will ever tell you. And as a matter of fact, they don't even know about it. This is very exclusive, and it'll be yours for free. You heard it, for free. I'm not going to charge you a bogus $49 or $97 for an inferior product or a software or ebook or training material, only to try to upsell you on the next page on even more worthless garbage for $197, and then later sell you again on another $295 worth of worthless piece of crap. That, my friends, is bullshit. That's how upset and sick to the stomach I am. Look, at the end of the day, you've been lied to. And so was I for a very long time. For the past 5 years, I've received worthless junk emails in my account promising me the next great thing. See, back then, no one was around to help me succeed. No one wanted to give me a break, and no one wanted to tell me the truth. Instead, it seemed like everybody wanted to sell me scams. Every day, I would get a new offer for some scam. Fakers that sell fake products that generate fake money. Look, if you've been trying to make money online, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised if in your inbox right now you have an email that links to one of these scam sites. These scam sites are everywhere. Flashy videos promising millions of dollars from some secret loophole system or push-button, instant money, miracle-generating system. It makes me literally want to vomit. From personal experience, I've seen them all. And here's exactly what happens when you fall for one of these scam sites. Even though you know it's a scam, you desperately want it to be true. You get curious, you want to know how it works, you hope deep down there's at least a glimmer of truth in it, and you think, hey, it couldn't be a complete scam, right? Maybe this magic system can help me pull in at least a few $100s in my bank account. Heck, when I bought these sort of things, I at least expected that. Just a few $100s now and then to help me pay my bills. But instead, what happens when you buy a product like that? You don't even make a few $100s. No, you get inside the members area. And what do you see? Junk. Absolute garbage. Confusing stuff that doesn't work. Information overload. You get upset, you feel cheated, and you want to tear your hair out and fight with every ounce of your strength to get your money back. Oh man, I would get so angry at these scam artists and feel so stupid for getting duped. I would literally scream into my computer monitor. What they are doing is illegal, and the government is simply looking the other way. See, the real problem is, no one out there is actually willing to help you make money online. Everyone keeps ordering you to buy, act now, download now, buy now. It's complete But today, all that stops. Let's face it, everything is a risk unless you don't have to pay for it, right? That's why I'm telling you that today, I'm going to share with you a method to put money in your bank account just like this. With $193,867.46. And like this, $231,017.40. I'm going to teach you this for free. I don't want your money. I don't want your credit card. I don't want your PayPal. I just want to actually share with you a great method that proved its benefits in just the few months since October. And that has given me a profit of several $1,000,000 in just 6 months. You must be asking, what's the catch? I want you to pay forward. As soon as you're making at least $5,000 a month, it means that I want you to help others, like I'm helping you here. I want you to spread the information around. I just want all these scams to stop. And my way to do this, the only way to do this, is to give you all something without asking you to give me a single penny in return. I will give you something that really works and can help you make a minimum of $500 a day. I will not promise you $1,000,000 a month like these fake gurus promise. No. But you will make a realistic $500 a day and even more as it becomes natural to you. All I ask in return is to spread around the knowledge. Tell everyone you know, your family, your friends, your coworkers. Now it's your turn to help them make an extra $500 a day. Be their hero and help them become financially free, while your bank account grows every day like here. First like this within a couple of months, then like this a few months later. So, do we have a deal? Look, if you're not okay with this arrangement, you can leave right now. However, if you are okay with this arrangement, then keep on watching. What you're about to learn is so simple, but so powerful. But before we continue, I want to share a number with you. 5,364. That's the number of people before you that have taken on my challenge and have succeeded to date. You'll hear from many of these successful people on the next page. You're going to hear from them how my system has changed their lives for the better. Listen, whether you're a beginner or an expert in making money, I promise this is simple for everyone, including you. From stay-at-home moms to business executives and even professionals, I guarantee that you've never been able to make money as simple as this. In the next page, I'm going to share with you the most coveted top secret information that will handhold you and walk you through step by step how to help you get your bank account looking like this in just a few months. I want to make sure you watch all 5 minutes of this video to see live proof of how this system works. Trust me. You don't want to miss this. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. I'm going to show you live proof of how to make at least $500 today and every day. And as this system becomes a second nature to you, it could make even more, much more. So I want you to grab a pen and paper. You're about to be blown away. So, I'm sure you guys know who Warren Buffett is. For those of you who don't know, he's the third richest man in the world. He's worth $44 billion. No, I'm not claiming that I can help you become a billionaire. I just want to help you put things into perspective. Warren Buffett has made billions by leveraging the financial market. It's a true fact. The majority of millionaires and billionaires of this world made their money from trading stocks, forex, commodities, or indices. Why do you think 99% of the stockbrokers are millionaires? They become filthy rich by handing intelligent information and systems that are not available to the public until today. Listen, what you've been taught in trading stocks, forex, commodities, and indices was designed for the average individual to lose, so the big banks and big boys that run them can win. But today, all that stopped. It's time for you to be as filthy rich as the top 1%. Leveraging the financial market has become much easier and much more lucrative than you've been taught. And today, I'm going to blow the lid wide open. I'm going to level the playing field to give you a chance to be one of the super rich, especially now in this volatile market that we live in right now. You'd be surprised that more and more people are becoming millionaires overnight. As a matter of fact, over 500,000 new people became millionaires in 2012. And I'm one of them for 2013. Remember this? With $423,852.65. How about this? $555,508.21. Look, I'm not kidding when I tell you that the majority of us become millionaires by leveraging the financial market. So I want you to ask yourself this question. Why aren't you doing it? You know what? It's okay. You're not to blame. It's not your fault. Traditional ways of trading stocks, forex, and other securities takes days of research and insider knowledge on the stock that you want to trade. Unless you're a sophisticated stock trader or a Wall Street fat cat working for a big bank, there is a huge learning curve. The traditional ways of learning involves hours of studying news, charts, and newspapers. It involves risking $5,000 to $20,000 a day to be a good day trader. And at the end of it, you'd be lucky to make 0.5% to 5% in profit. It was designed for the average individual to lose, so the big boys in Wall Street and the big banks can win. Let's face it, the financial market is the number one market that is responsible for creating mega multimillionaires and billionaires. But most don't even touch it because of the learning curve of trading stocks, commodities, forex, and indices. Well, today, that all changes. There's no longer a learning curve. Today, I'm blowing the lid wide open and expose those greedy Wall Street fat cats and unfair banks. Today, I'm going to expose the same system that these millionaire stockbrokers and greedy banks use to suck up all the money in the world to buy themselves Lamborghinis and mega yachts. It's called binary options. And it's the most simple system to use to leverage the financial market. There's no more need for hours of research, no more analyzing company revenues or profits, no more need to watching the news to make an educated decision on how much stock to buy and at what price and when to sell them. Instead, now with this system, you just need to determine if the stock will rise or fall based on popular choice. That's right. It leverages the intelligence of thousands of traders' decisions as a majority. All you have to do is copy their decision and copy their big profits. If the majority of traders determine that the stock will go up in the next 60 seconds, you press the up option button. And if the majority of traders determine that the stock will go down in the next 60 seconds, you press the down option button. With each correct decision, you make between 70 to 80% profit. Let me make this crystal clear. It doesn't matter whether the stock price goes up or the stock price goes down. As long as you pick the right direction, you make between 70 to 80% profit. And it doesn't matter if the stock price goes up or down. By less than 0.5%, you still make that 70 to 80% profit. I want you to watch this system in action. You see, this is my account. It currently has $470 in it. For this example, we're going to trade in the Forex market. To be exact, the US dollar to the Canadian dollar. Now here you're going to see a dynamic scale that is based on trader's choice. It's based on the cumulative decisions of thousands of traders that are trading on this currency exchange. It's where you get to leverage that knowledge. Thousands of traders all over the world. In this case, 63% worldwide predicted that the rate will go up. See? Now that we determined which way to trade, we go back to the 60 seconds tab right here. Then we're going to select $25 as the amount we're going to trade. All right? Then we're going to click on the up arrow, otherwise known as call. Then we're going to click on invest now to confirm. And now that the trade is started, and in 60 seconds we'll know the outcome. But in the essence of time, I'm going to speed up the video so you don't have to wait 60 seconds right now. Okay, so there's 3 seconds left, and it looks like we and the majority of traders out there made the right choice. We just made 65% profit, or we made back $42 on a $25 trade in just 60 seconds. As you see here, our balance just went up from $470 to $487. Can you imagine what would be if we traded with $100 on that trade? We would have made $65 in profit in just 60 seconds. It's really that simple. There are no more days of long research or insider knowledge on the stock that you want to trade. No more wasted time of studying news, charts, and newspapers. No more risking $5,000 to $20,000 a day to be a good day trader. All you need is $100 to $300 to start with. Depends on how fast you want to reach the $500 a day profit. And at the end, you can even make $10,000, $20,000, $40,000, $50,000 a month in profit. All in all, you won't be making between only 0.5% and 5% in profit. Instead, you'll be making an average of 70 to 80% profit in each trade. Look, I know you must be excited to make your first $500 today, but you need to understand that I only want to make sure that you will follow the correct strategy. So please make sure that you read the rest of my explanation and follow every step I outlined for you. Meanwhile, just watch this live recording of how I made over $250 in less than 30 minutes of trading. Don't worry, you will just see the fast-forwarded video of 2 minutes. As you can see, this live recorded video starts at 2:40 p.m. on Wednesday, April 24th, with $487 in the account from earlier. Now I'm just going to fast forward through some of my trades so you can see what type of activity you can expect once you're trading on this system and once it becomes a second nature to you. Okay, so after approximately 30 minutes of trading between 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time to 3:11 p.m. Eastern Time, here is the result. You can see it's 3:11 p.m., still Wednesday, April 24th. And now look at the total amount of dollars in the account. $748. We started with $470 30 minutes ago. So, in less than 30 minutes, we made a profit of $261. Now, can you imagine how much you'll make trading 2 to 3 hours a day, Monday through Friday? Let me guess. It's a lot more than what you're making now, isn't it? And I'm sure it's more than what you made with that useless crap you bought over the past year. Don't be cheated and lied to anymore. It's time to stop the Wall Street fat cats and big bakes making a lot of money, while all that time you suffer and suffer every day. Now it is your turn to be the lucky one among your friends. Don't waste another minute. You have to start right now. You got nothing to lose and everything to gain. In your hands right now, you have the best strategy to make money. Use it today, or else, I promise you, you will regret it later. So go ahead, confirm your invitation email below, and I'll see you inside.